got bundles. Revenge of the Nerds.
We've got... Oh, hell pie.
We have bundles. We have bundles now. So now your cheap uncle can come to our website and buy cigars that are too good for him. That's right. I said it. They're too good for that cheap guy, okay? And I'm gonna run you through all our bundles here. Why are we doing this? We wanna be able to support the factories that we work with on purchasing all of their products. We also want to be able to serve all of cigar consumers because, let's face it, we are the minority in this thing. We're the pioneers. And so, you know, there's few of us and more of them, and they're coming to our site. We need to have products that suit them. You also need products that you can give away and not feel bad about, okay? So here we go. These are all long filler cigars, by the way. There's nothing cheap here. They're all from the same factory. I'm proud to bring this to the table, and here we go. We're gonna go through this in order of succession of the value. So we're starting at the bottom here. Started from the bottom now. And so this is Ballpark Cigars. This is for your drunk uncle when you send him to Privada. He's like, it's too fancy, you know, I can't, I'm spending that. So now he's got a brand of cigars to buy. These are $47.50. Again, long filler. Again, premium cigar. You don't have to take my word for it. You can afford to try it out. Next is at $49.95, and this is back in the day. I did a little something nostalgic for my people out there, for my old heads, my viejos that want to come to the site and grab something inexpensive to smoke on a daily basis. This is for the person who has a cigar hanging out of their mouth at all times of day, but refuse to settle for cheap crap. One thing I noticed about cheap crap is you treat it like cheap crap. Even when it's your cheap crap, it gets treated like cheap crap. None of this is treated like cheap crap because it's not. These are all great cigars, and we wanted to come up with fun ways to package these things for you guys. Next on the list is $53.99. This is classics. These are Privada classics, and I love the packaging on this. It's got like a 65 Mustang. There's a couple chicks. They're hanging out. A couple dudes hanging out. It's supposed to remind some of these older folks of their glory years. So depressing. Eventually, all of us end up in that phase where it's like, remember back in '82, I could throw a football quarter mile. You know what that's from, right? Yeah. Okay, so there's classics. Okay. This will have a floating price. Sometimes it'll be as low as $42, and sometimes it'll be as high as $65, but this is Scrooge. Scrooge is a He knows that what he wants for the price really shouldn't be attainable, but he wants what he wants, and we got to serve him once in a while, too. My favorite on the list is the Cafeteria Bundle Jam. These are 100% Nicaraguan puros that will knock your socks off. They're made at a very special factory, and I'm just thrilled to be a part of this. I can't wait to see these on your desk or your, you know, wherever you take your Instagram pictures. And last but not least, we have the HERF Grenade. Now, what is this for? It's for exactly what you think it's for. You throw these in a room full of 20 guys, everyone's got a stick for under $3. Wait, I think they're like $70. So yeah, it's like $3.50 a stick. I mean, Jesus Christ. What more can I do? Would you just give them to you? I mean, Jesus. Please order other things if you're ordering these things. We need to stay in business here. That's bundles. Why did we do it? One, we need to be able to support and serve our factories better. Two, we need to be able to support and serve and not just simply ignore the other 10 million cigar smokers out there that want to get in on the Privada fund, but they're just not ready to take the step into considering themselves true connoisseurs, collectors, and this is a kind of a jumping off point for them. They can see the quality that is Privada and the Limited Cigar Association, and that's it. I'm proud of this. I'm happy. I know some of you from your emails that you're going through tough times. It's not the best time in our economy, certainly not the worst. And, you know, we're here to show love and support. We can't always smoke Jopito cigars, okay, that no one else can get, and that have Mirapfel wrapper on it, the most expensive wrapper on God's green earth, and real Mirapfel wrapper, not the BS. And so we're in a good situation here with that. We have the ultra stuff, you know, squared away, but I wanted to add these to the lineup so that people had options, okay? Yeah, that's it. So hashtag we are Privada, hashtag we are the industry. If you want to stick around, I'm gonna smoke the first real production, sizable production of the Privada barrel aged. I'll tell you what I like about it, what I don't like about it, fine tuning as we go.